Alright, so today we're going to be working on this rectifier right here on part 2 of the rebuild process for my 2002 Yamaha R6. So I've already replaced the stator. It was missing a gasket, so I got to order one, but the stator's fine. We have it rewired. Got a few things to reconnect before I even try to ride it. Just a lot to do. Next is this rectifier because it's not staying in. Then we're going to see if it will hold a stable idle. Alright, so we got the rectifier in. We got the battery hooked up. Let's see if we get power at all. No power. Alright, I honestly probably plugged these in wrong, to be honest. So I need to figure out the combination and figure that out. And then, I don't know, maybe it might turn on, it might not. I really don't know. Maybe I blew a fuse. I really don't know. So I just rearranged all the wires. And it's still not starting, so maybe there's not a connector connected. I don't know. I'm going to take off the tank and try to figure it out. So I found the culprit, blown fuse, to the positive, whatever the fuck this thing is. So it blew. So now I need to go get one and replace it on this. Ugh. Look at this little guy. Focus. Focus! Thing is, oh my god, just cooked. Like, look at that. So I gotta go get a new one, then we hopefully will be able to start the bike. So we actually ended up getting a new fuse, and let's see if she actually wants to turn on. Hopefully we didn't blow that fuse again. Like, legitimately, I would actually be mad at that. Still no power. Huh, did I blow it again? I swear to God, if I blew this thing again, I'm actually gonna crash the fuck out. That means there's another fuse somewhere, because there's no power. So I blew the right side again of the 30. It should not be pushing 30 amps. So I have a short somewhere, so I have to take off the tank, figure out where. Also, shout out SDG Performance for the wonderful placement for helping me fix my bike. If you want your bike fixed and you're in the Colorado area, go hit up Lou or SDG Performance for your best bike needs. So now I have to take out the tank. I've already taken out the little bolt right here, put it on Lou's bike right there. I gotta take this off, figure out where I'm shorting, do a little voltage test for everything, and then figure it out. Alright, so I actually think I have a better idea. So since I replaced the rectifier and stator, I think that it's just not grounded. So it might legitimately be shorting out the 30 amp. So taking it off, checking all the wire relays to the stator and the rectifier, trying to figure it out. Because it's not grounded, that's why it's popping the positive fuse. So yeah. So we got the tank off. We're checking all the wiring right here, make sure everything's hooked up. And then we're taking this off. I'm gonna do a voltage test on each one of these, figure out where they go. And because I think I placed them wrong, I'm gonna be honest. So at my own expense, I kind of cooked my fuses because one of these weren't grounded and it was causing everything to blow up. So possibly this might not be the right rectifier for my bike, and I'll explain why. So the old one I don't have anymore because I got rid of it. The old ones, the holes were positioned at the top and then the bottom right here. So this might be a newer model for a newer R6. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna go check online, see if it is, and figure it out. So we're at AutoZone trying to find some fuses so we can test, see if the rectifier is the issue. I took my friend's bike. Thank you so much, Boulder. I appreciate you, but yeah. All right, so we got the fuses. We're on our way back. We're gonna see if this bike wants to start now.
Kevin, the whole.
Oh, my burnt tank that caught on fire. Oh, wire harness cooked. Everything is cooked.